Hola Angeles. I just wanted to do a quick little explanation on the difference between reflexive verbs and reciprocal verbs. This can be a little confusing for some people, so I'm going to try to break it down really simply and really quickly. Okay? Reflexive verbs are anything done to oneself. All right? So the difference between a reflexive verb and a regular verb. Me lavo el pelo would be I'm washing my own hair. Now, if I wanted to say I'm washing the baby's hair, it's no longer reflexive because I'm not doing it to myself. So, lavo el pelo del bebé. Okay, we just leave off the reflexive pronoun if it's something done to someone or something else. That's all the verbs you've been doing before, right? So now if you want to say you're getting dressed or going to bed or washing your hands, any of those is going to be reflexive because you're doing it to yourself or someone else is doing it to themselves. Okay, nos vestimos por la mañana. We get dressed in the morning, meaning we dress ourselves in the morning. So you have to have the reflexive pronoun because someone is doing something to themselves. All right, that is reflexive verbs in a nutshell. Now, reciprocal verbs use these exact same pronouns, which is where it can get a little confusing. However, this is when someone is doing something to someone else and it's like a unified action. You have verbs like to hug, to kiss, all right? So, nos abrazamos, we hug each other. I'm not hugging myself, it's not reflexive. We use the same pronoun, but we're saying it's a different sentiment. We're hugging each other, okay? So you will use these if anything is done either to oneself or with another person. And you just have to distinguish, are you saying someone is doing something to themselves or are two people doing it together? So that's kind of a real quick explanation of the difference between reflexive and reciprocal. But you will use the same pronouns for both, okay? Hopefully that helps a little bit, just a little power explanation. Let me know if you have any other questions.